Alright, got the old 85 4Runner with the legendary Toyota 22RE. The only things done to it are the intake spacer, plenum, cam, and the LC Engineering power pack, which also comes with this nice 4-into-1 header. And then underneath, we have no cat going from the header through a straight pipe to a Flowmaster 40 series muffler, which is way too loud. It is annoyingly loud. So we're switching that out to a 50 series because it's much better on the road. This thing is annoyingly loud on the highway. And so we'll do a little startup video with the Flowmaster 40 muffler. It's pretty loud. So at idle, it's not bad. It's got a nice little growl to it. But as soon as you gas it, man, it's just annoyingly loud. Alright, here's just driving around the neighborhood. Do a little first gear pull so you can see how loud it is. So it really drones at like 2,700 RPM. It drones pretty bad. And like second gear, just cruising around, it's nice and quiet if you're not on the gas, but as soon as you step on that gas, it's loud. Even from inside the car, it's loud. It does have nice little pops and burbles though on the down deceleration, which is fun. Here we have the Flowmaster 50 Delta Series muffler going in the 85 4Runner. Be much quieter, but still have a nice exterior growl, but inside, much less drone. Much better than a 40 series. This is the model number for reference. Shout out to D&B Muffler Shop for hooking it up. We're gonna get this thing quiet and normal again. Yeah. Okay, Flowmaster 50 series is in. Same orientation. Much quieter. Let's have a listen. Nice and quiet. Still has a tiny bit of a grumble. Still sounds good. Alright, we'll do a little first gear down through the neighborhood here. So it still has a nice throaty sound to it, but inside the car it's barely noticeable. It's much quieter. It doesn't sound like a Honda anymore. So before, when I would hit second gear and stomp on it right here, it'd be loud. Now, it still has throatiness, but it's not clanky and not as tinny sounding and hollow. All right, we'll do first through second gear. Still has good sound, but again, inside the car, it's much quieter. But it still has pops and burbles on the deceleration. Much better.